With my helicopter, it has got the receiver board replaced, so I can now bind it, as you can see by the light on the board. And if I am in mode 1, I do actually get to be able to spool up the motor, and I have limited control of it as well, but no forward backwards. I cannot tilt forward and backwards. So now in mode 2 I will show you that it does not have any throttle. So we are now in mode 2 and we've got binded. So as you can see, I now still have full control on the right hand joystick, but the left hand joystick, no throttle. And that is the problem. No matter what you do, the left hand joystick never has any control over its vertical movement. Hope this helps to explain the problem. Thank you.